Good morning everybody. My name is Pariniti Verma and I am from class 4 and I am 9 years old. Good morning everybody. My name is Hardun Vadwa. I am from class 4 and I am also 9 years old. Good morning everybody. My name is Jashwa Agarwal. I am from grade 4 and I am 9 years old. So today we are very excited to introduce to you something incredible, our Genz Cook Hub. This project combines smart technology and the kitchen to make cooking safer, efficient and a lot more fun. Do you know from where we got the idea of Genz Cook Hub? We got the idea of Genz Cook Hub from a simple thought. How can we make cooking safer and efficient for everyone? We all know that kitchens can sometimes be a place where accidents happen, whether it is forgetting to turn off the lights or not realizing there is smoke or fire. So we decided to use technology to solve these problems and make cooking safer and convenient for everyone. Do you know the main components we use to make the Genz Cook Hub? First is the DHT11 sensor. This sensor measures the temperature and humidity in the kitchen. Next is the AQI monitoring system. The AQI monitoring system checks the air quality and makes sure it is safe and healthy. Next is the motion sensor. This motion sensor detects motion and as soon as we enter the kitchen, it turns on the LED strip to provide us light. So, our fourth point is our flame sensor. The flame sensor detects the fire and makes sure if anything goes wrong. Our fifth point is our buzzer. The buzzer works as a fire alarm and alerts everybody if anything goes wrong and if a fire catches in the kitchen. The sixth point is a TM1630 clock display. This shows the time, so we can keep a track of our cooking without needing a phone or other devices calling our children out. So, the last point but not the least is the ESP32 microcontroller. This ESP32 microcontroller, this is the brain of all the systems. It connects all the sensors and devices wirelessly, making sure all the things work smoothly. Now let me tell you how does it works. First is temperature and air quality. The DHT11 sensor keeps the track of the kitchen's humidity and temperature, while the AQI system keeps the track that the air is fresh and healthy. Second point is a lighting control. When the motion sensor detects someone in the kitchen, it automatically switches on the LED switches for lighting. The best part is it switches off automatically if no one is there. It saves the energy. Third point is a fire safety. If the sensor detects a fire, the buzzer right away goes off and alerts everyone. The last point but not the least is a time display. Using the ESP32 and Wi-Fi, the TM1630, the sensor always helps tracking in the cooking. We have learned so much while building the Genz Cook Hub, how sensors and devices work together to make our daily lives even more safer and more efficient. The importance of fire safety in homes and how technology can help prevent accidents. Energy saving. The motion sensor helps us save electricity by turning off lights when nobody is in the kitchen. Our Genz Cook Hub is not only cool but also very sustainable. Energy efficiency. By using the motion sensor to turn lights on and off, we save electricity, which is a great step to save the environment. AQI monitoring. The AQI monitor helps the kitchen air to be clean and healthy. Fire safety. Early fire detections reduces the risk of fire accidents, preventing unnecessary risk and damage. In conclusion, I would say our Genz Cook Hub is a perfect example that how technology Technology can make kitchen even more safer, smarter, and more energy efficient. We hope our project inspires you to think how technology can solve everyday and day-to-day problems. Thank you for watching, and we welcome to the future of cooking with our Genz Cook Hub.